In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a dynamic slider using your content management system. We'll cover everything from creating a new CMS collection to customizing your slides with images and descriptions, making sure your content looks great and is easy to manage. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to click on the CMS icon in the toolbar on the left side of your screen. This is your gateway to managing all the content elements that make up your site, so familiarizing yourself with it early on is a great idea. Once you open it up, you're going to create a new collection. You can title it whatever suits your project best. Personally, I named mine Slider CMS to keep things clear and focused on what I'm working with. Naming conventions might seem trivial, but they help in organizing your content, especially as your projects grow larger and more complex over time. Now that we have our collection ready, it's time to add some fields. A name field is automatically generated for you, so you don't need to worry about that. However, we do want to add an image field and a plain text field for the page description. Click on the Add New Field button to get started, and make sure to choose the appropriate field type for your content needs. If your content team prefers more flexibility, you might opt for a rich text field instead of a plain text one. This setup will allow you to efficiently manage your slides, ensuring each one has the necessary information and visuals. With your field structure in place, let's move on to duplicating the CMS item you've just created. Simply scroll down the page template you've set up, and at the bottom right corner, you'll find a duplicate button. Clicking this will create a new CMS item, with all fields automatically populated with the content from your template. This feature is particularly handy for content that remains consistent across multiple slides. However, you can always tweak individual fields to reflect the unique aspects or updates necessary for specific slides. For a more detailed look at an individual slide, notice how all collection fields are filled with relevant content. Each slide is assigned a different color palette, featuring my Webflow handle ZBRAH prominently centered, because as Webflow designers, making a statement with your work is always a bonus, right? These visual elements are integrated into a .jpg image with dimensions of 1200 by 800 pixels. Using a width of 1200 pixels is often recommended for ensuring your images look sharp even on larger displays. Later on, we'll explore how to maximize this image size within your layout. Remember, while experimenting with different sizes, smaller images can appear pixelated when enlarged, so always be mindful of your source image's dimensions and resolution, unless a rougher, more pixelated look is intentionally what you're going for.